I started with unlimiters and calculators, and then moved on to digitizer tablets and computers and importing CAD files. And the business is much more efficient with the AGTEK. Obviously, you can do more work now, and what used to take a day or two with a digitizer, you can do now in a few hours. Yeah, I mean, AGTEK is a great tool for the business. It's essential to what we do now, because we can use it to do all our takeoffs and present it to the clients and present it to the field. Going back to the old way just really isn't an option anymore. It's a lot better for us to rearrange the site and give it back to the civil engineer than to say, oh, this is messed up, and let the civil engineer do it, and then we do another takeoff. AGTEK gives us a lot of flexibility in recalculating things or shifting things around, or moving the parking lot from one side to the other, or turning the building sideways, and give it back to them and say, this is a better way to do it, because we are involved a lot of times on the front end with just a site plan, and the guys that do the site layout sometimes don't think in 3D, and we have to think in 3D. And we can show them with the AGTEK, well, look, you're going to need a 50-foot high wall here, and that's not really the best way to do it. We can shift things around or shift the building over and make it more manageable.
We rely heavily on drones to take on our volumes, especially on the bigger sites. Like I said, we will run a lot of our volumes off of quick volumes from the field, off of our rovers. But for a million-yard site, a tenth over the whole site is so important. A tenth on a million-yard job at the end of a job is a lot of dirt to be high or low. We've done a good job at utilizing that and understanding it and cleaning it and modeling it through AGTEK to be useful for us. With AGTEK, we basically run it seamlessly with the Connex. Our models get built in-house, and we will directly import them in to Connex. From there, they'll be dropped into the machines, or we'll drop them in the geofences wherever the machines will be coming in and out of to pick them up as they come in and out. And on the same way back from our field data, whether we're logging automatic data off of machines, it's communicating directly back to Connex, and we can drop that data directly into AGTEK and get extremely quick answers on volumes or any kind of questions we may have on data in the field.
I never like to just say, this is messed up, it won't work. I always want to have a solution for them. And you have to think about that and try to come up with a solution that works, and then give it back to them. And again, AGTEK helps a lot with that. Construction is still big yellow iron. Some things don't change, but the big yellow iron's gotten a lot smarter now with the machine control. I'd just have to go to a different business if we didn't have AGTEK.
The goal the whole time has been to make data transparent, to share data and make the construction process easier on site. That started with paper plans. These days we do the same thing on a mobile phone or an iPad or a tablet, whereas we can see visually in real time and make it very, very clear where things need to go to whoever needs to look at it. We're always trying to bring that cycle down from problem identification to problem solving to the shortest time possible.